so today we're going to be making the goodie bags for my son's birthday, and it's a Roblox theme. And this is my way of making goodie bags. Like, I've done it for years. I bought 100 pack of these white craft handle paper bags, and the dimensions are 8 by 10 by 4.75. So you know, just your typical bag. And I've used this for so many different themes. It's so easy to customize. I've done like mostly Star Wars because they also like Star Wars a lot. So there's been a couple of Star Wars parties. I did a Plants vs. Zombies for my other son in my other video. And I don't know, I mean, you can use this for pretty much anything, even gift bags if you decorate it really cute. So today I'm going to be doing it a little bit different than Plants vs. Zombies. I'm going to be using sticker paper because I just bought this pack and it was 55 sheets for $16, so it's really cheap. And I'm going to do like, I guess, a more, intricate graphic. So I thought maybe the sticker paper would look better than my usual cardstock. So usually I would print out whatever design and I'll just print it on this lightweight cardstock, like printable cardstock, the ones that you can buy in a ream, like a whole stack. So not like your scrapbooking or, you know, really thick cardstock. It's just like a lightweight one. And I would glue it on. And that turns out okay. But yeah, for a more intricate design, I think maybe like a photo paper, or which is pretty much what this sticker paper is. So I'm gonna take you to Cricut Design Space and show you how I'm going to print out my design. And I'm gonna be using the same graphic that I did for my juice, or the Kool-Aid / Capri Sun juice wraps. So we're at Canva, and this is the design I made for the juice wraps, and we're just gonna use the same one, because it's really about how you do it versus the design. And you can go to that video to see how I made it. So I am using a Canva Pro feature. There's other ways you can do it. You can just go to get that same PDF and enlarge it. Many ways, but I'll show you how I do it in Canva. I'm just gonna resize this to 8 inches by 10. And just resize. And then some of the features need to be, I guess, fiddled with, or like this is a little too like short. I gotta make it a little bit wider. I can now spread out the characters a little bit more since there's more space. But overall it looks good. Sometimes you do have to like mess with it a little bit more. And now all I'm gonna do is go to share and download and change to PDF print. Okay, once it's downloaded, I can close the browser and we can print it right from here. So the thing you want to look for is the scale. It auto scaled to fit. So I want to go back to scale and just make it 100%. And it's up to you what kind of, I guess, presets or like settings you want to have. I just use plain paper, but you could probably use like glossy paper, photo paper, anything like that. Okay, so I have my design cut out and we're just gonna see how it fits. So you can either line it up to the top or the bottom. I guess I like to line it up to the top because that's what people will look at more. So all I'm going to do is fold down about 1/2 inch. And then we're going to line it up. This is a lot easier than taking off the whole backing and then having to try to reposition it after. So I think I like it there. So once you like it, press it down. And then we're just gonna peel the backing off and smooth it down. It should be really nice and easy. Okay, so now you have your party theme bag. and it's so easy to customize. You can really make it for anything. Like Roblox is kind of a hard like party theme. I don't know, there's not a lot of stuff for it, so it's a lot easier to make your own sometimes, and then you can customize it and make it really cute with their own Roblox characters. So that's my son's and that's my younger son's, and this is the one they made for their baby cousin that doesn't play Roblox, but it's supposed to be him so he can be included. But yeah, so it turned out really cute. I actually really like the sticker paper, so if you find cheap sticker paper, I would totally use it over the cardstock, unless you have like a lighter design. I feel like the darker ones didn't turn out good, but when I did Plants vs Zombies, it's more colorful and kind of lighter, and I think that looked fine. So totally up to you. You can also do like cutout ones too, you know, it doesn't have to be like the whole page. I do like the whole page because I feel like it looks more professional, I guess. When you just look at it, it looks like, you know, like a gift bag. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and I might have more party theme ideas coming up, or videos in the future. So yeah, subscribe for that, and I'll see you in my next video. So here's how to get the good picture of your Roblox avatar. So I asked my son to help me with this, and what he came up with was he went into the Roblox app, and then he went into his profile and got to this page where you can shop and customize your character. And this was perfect because it has a white background, nothing's moving, and the character's like facing you. So all we did was take a screenshot, and on this iPad it's just pressing the power and the home button at the same time. And then I cropped out his character and sent it to my computer, and that was perfect because then I could just use that straight and put it into Canva and use the background remover. If you don't have Canva Pro, there's other websites that will do it for you, so the white background really helps for that. And for the other characters, I just pretty much did the same thing for his brothers and his cousins. And for his baby cousin who's 3 and doesn't play Roblox, he just created one. Like I don't know exactly how, but he changed his outfit, put on a different outfit, and then took a screenshot of that. So you didn't have to like make a new character or an account or anything weird like that. He just, you know, changed it up a bit and then took a screenshot and then sent it to me. But yeah, that's how I got the characters. And now we can make the juice boxes or the juice wraps.